Hello my friends on YouTube, this is over here at Gamma. I got a couple small boxes here and I got a couple deliveries this past week. So let's get to it. And I got my little helper here. Say hi, Nina.
Hi, I'm Mr. Dinner. That was so fast.
That was so fast, wasn't it? Okay, let's get to this.
Now I'm going to do this.
Honey, sit back when I have the knife. Remember? Those are the rules.
You got a knife?
Yeah, I got a knife. You say that every time. Okay. This one is, I believe, from Provident. Yay. Yay. I got some airtights for the elephants that I got in, and for little Nina's crocodile and final web spider. Set that over there. So let's get in here and get her open. I almost forget what I got. Yay! Another magnet, honey. Put in the refrigerator. Isn't that awesome? Okay. We'll set that over there. Yeah, you can put it on the refrigerator. I got in a Jaeger pour silver.
There you go.
3-ounce lion head. Been wanting to get this for a while. Okay.
Every day
Yeah. Alrighty. You've all seen these, but it's still awesome. There it is. There you go. Yeah. Got number 442. Not bad.
That
Okay.
was so bad.
I'm gonna set that right there. And then I also got in some Prospector rounds. We've all seen these too, but I like them.
Yes, I like them.
So does little mama. I have a feeling she's going to confiscate one of these. You like them?
So bad.
And to go with the Prospector rounds, I'm just going to leave that out. I got the copper to go with it.
Let me do that.
It's the same one as that one, honey. That's the same one.
Do that.
There you go.
Do that. Let me do that.
Oh, you want to see the lion? All right, there you go. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm doing that.
Okay, so I got those. All right, okay, I'll set it there. Okay. Then this one is from Apmex. Now this is the one I'm interested in
That
because I finally got. That's.
That one's not mine.
Yeah. Oh my goodness! I got a Happy Holiday box. I never thought I'd get one.
What?
I know. I know. You want to put that over there, sweetie? There. You put on that end of the table. Look, doesn't this look Christmassy?
That
Yeah.
mine is missing?
No, that's not your Christmas. No, honey, you're gonna get more than a box. Okay. On this one, I got another Cerberus coin.
Huh?
And
Did that one.
oh yeah, I know you saw the last one I did, but this is how they come. Pull it apart. There you go. Oh, let me pull this out. I want to see what number I got on this one. Alright. Let me spread that out. And oh, that one was in there. The last one wasn't really in. Look at this bad boy again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That one too was there?
Yeah, that one's. Alright, you want to look at that one? And on this one, it looks like I got. Ooh. I got number 322 on this one. The last one I got 1005. And I got 322 here, and I ordered it from Apmex again. So, okay, you want to pull it? All right, enough. That's enough. That's all right, babe. We're just gonna sit right here. All right, you want to put that over there? Okay, now this is the one I was looking for. This is the space-time continuum coin. Now, oh, you're gonna steal the box? Okay, you steal the box. This is the space-time continuum.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, can you say space-time continuum? Yeah.
That one's so bad. Here.
Look at this.
That one's so
There's my Cook Islands. Oh, what is the minage of this? I never did look before. What is that, 1,500 pieces? Well, anyway, let's take a look at it. I am not feeling good and my hands are not working. Alrighty.
I want to open it. I can't open it.
Ugh. Okay.
Ugh.
Wow, I wish they wouldn't have put that in a capsule. Let's see if I can get the capsule open. Oh, that ain't happening for me anytime soon. Okay. I think baby girl likes the box more than anything. Ooh, that's not a good view. It's a dreary day. That's... Ooh.
Hey,
That's what it looks like on the back.
I want to look at it.
Okay. Now, I really wish they wouldn't have put that in there because I would love to have had the side view to show you. But, okay. The space-time continuum, if you can tell, that little ball there in the middle is a magnet. And I will tell you what that represents in a minute. And of course you can see it dipping down and this bowing up and stuff. Now let me explain to you. This is why I like this coin. Okay. Now bear with me. The space-time continuum has to, as people know, has to do with Einstein's theory of relativity. And let me explain to you what is going on with this piece and why I like it. Now, my little helper. And what I'm going to say is going to all tie up. But this stems back from one of the Bible study classes that I gave. And there was a topic of discussion. It wasn't heated or anything. There was just two different sides of the coin, how God made the universe in 7 days. Now, I'm a devout Christian. There's no doubt about that. God said he made it in 7 days. He made it in 7 days. But Einstein, part of his theory was the universe was constantly expanding. So the easiest way for me to explain to everyone was, and I don't have no rubber band, so I got to write it out. Let's say I had a line. Okay? This is the line of a rubber band. And you split these up. We're just going to say we split them up into 5 days. Okay? Imagine 5 equal parts. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Say this is a 24-hour day, 24-hour day, 24-hour day, 24-hour day, 24-hour day. Now, what I told him is that time is a man-made thing. It's a man's way of keeping time is the sun, the moon, the seasons, blah, blah, blah. And then we broke it down into increments of minuscule time. A friend of mine who he was trying to disprove that there was a God, and I told him, Brian, it's a man-made thing. Space, there is no time. But he argued with me, and then he said, you send an astronaut up in space, take one revolution around the Earth, have the watch it synchronize before they left, they come back, it's 3 minutes slower, and I said, you just proved my point. Einstein theory is, okay, let's just say this is just a different points in time. You stretch, his thing was, the universe was ever stretching. So you take that same rubber band and you stretch it. And you make the same amount of equal parts. It's still the same amount of time. It's just that it's been stretched. So from this point to this point is the same amount of time as this point to this point, except for the band has been stretched. So what we consider a 24-hour period could be 1,000 years. We don't know. But this is what Einstein's theory of relativity was basically based on. Now, where the space-time continuum part comes in on this is that Einstein decided to take a step further. And Einstein, before he died, sit back, baby. You don't crawl on the table like that. Einstein's theory is, before he died, he even said his theory of relativity was not finished. And I know there's people who are mathematics who say, we finished it. No, because Einstein even said himself, there's something missing. It had nothing to do with math. I said, well, bring God into it and you'll figure it out. But, so what the space-time continuum does is say I have, you can tell little mama was writing on that. Say I have this piece of paper and I have my fixed points. Okay? Now, in order for Einstein, part of the space-time thing is Einstein said that light bends and that space is just a thing and time is just a thing, but he considered what is in space, it just is. What is here is just is. We are just what we are, whether we're on Earth or out in space. It just is. And they call this every point and everything is connected by strings, and where you hear the word string theory, which they say a lot, they used to say a lot in the Big Bang Theory, the show. But it's the string theory. Now, it's just a theory. But in order for this to be accomplished, and for this thing here, what he's saying is that in order to bend space and time, you need a massive amount of energy like the sun. Now, it just so happens that the CERN collider in Switzerland, called the Hadron Collider, what they're doing is they're trying to find what is called the God particle, find that thing that gives matter mass. So what they're doing is they're slashing around, and if I took this little dot right here, and you break that up into 1,000 pieces, and you take that 1,000th of a piece and put it in that Hadron Collider, and you zoom it at the speed of light and you collide it with a negative force, it will create an atom that will, as they say, create life. And it's that point where that collision is where it's so much massive energy. You can get up here, honey. There's so much massive energy, it's equal to the sun. Now, in order to bend, it's all going to tie it in. So in order to bend space and time, which is what this is representing, because like I said, you can see it dip down in the middle, and this has got a ridge around it because just like anything else, like if you drop something in the water, you'll notice there's a little rim around it, and it just pulls things together and then expands out. Well, this is exactly what this coin is doing. Consider this little magnetic piece here, this little ball, as that atom from the Hadron Collider. Now, you take that out in space and you explode it. You have a massive energy like the sun. Stop, baby. And what you're doing is you're taking the strings and you're dropping energy, this big ball of energy, and you're putting it out there in space, and it bends it. And what it does, it brings these 2 points together. Well, lo and behold, if you take a pen or a knife or something like that, this is what they're talking about, wormholes. You take those little points together, it takes a split second to get from here to there. Space-time continuum. This is the easiest way I know how to explain this. So that's what this coin to me represents, and basically it's a space-time continuum. Now, there's a lot of other things that go along with this, and I do not have the time, and nobody has time to even listen to it because it goes on and on and on. But basically, is what he's saying is that you've heard the wormholes and all that, and this is what you would be creating. But in order to create the wormhole, you have to have a massive amount of energy, like in the sun. Yeah, honey, as in the sun. All right, get off. Thank you, honey. So that's what the Hadron Collider, and this is what scares the bejesus out of me, because one small trip of anything in that collider, and there goes our ski chalets. Bye, skiing. So there goes all Switzerland. Bye, Switzerland. So this is what this coin, and I was really excited to get this in. I'm glad they got it back in. This is why I wanted the coin. It's just one of those fascinating things to me, and this was the easiest way that I could explain it. And if anybody has any questions, please let me know. I'll try to explain it better than what I did. And also, I got, thanks to Silver Diva, oh yeah, got my booty bank in. There you go, Silver Diva. So, it just feels so Silver Diva-ish right now. And let me get that out. It came with my little kiss. And also this week I got in another Mutiny Metals. There's my sticker. Whoop! I got another 2 ounce. This one's limited to 100 pieces, and it's the Crown Skull series. I got number 13. There you go. Honey, you can open that back up anytime now. That's the back of it. Thank you. So, that's the crown. I just like the dancing skeletons. That's hilarious. I just love that. Oh, if we're going to be dead, might as well be happy about it, huh? So, as I said, I was wanting to get this box. And I'm going to put the hand-poured silver in it. Yay! So, and of course, little mama confiscated my Atlantis Mid again, so I gotta get some more of them in. And we're gonna put my Jaeger in there, and the next ones I'll be putting some Hi-Ho Silver and some Vulcan 5, 6, 7, 8s, and get some more Atlantis Mid in, some more Jaeger.
Oh, I'm gonna put
And
that in there.
no, you're not gonna put that in there, honey. So that's what I have so far. Sorry I'm not feeling any better than what I am, and I'll be making another video with my announcement coming up. So I hope you all have yourselves a good day, and I'll talk with you later.